Ever stared at your Venmo username and thought, ugh, I made that when I was. Maybe it's an old inside joke that's no longer funny, a cringy nickname from your past, or perhaps it just doesn't quite reflect who you are now. Whatever the reason, you're not alone. So, the burning question is, can you actually change your Venmo username? That little identifier, the one people use to send you money for that slice of pizza or split the cost of concert tickets, feels pretty permanent, doesn't it? It's tied to your account, your transactions, your whole Venmo history. It's understandable to feel a bit stuck with whatever you chose way back when. But hold on a second. Before you resign yourself to a lifetime of explaining the origins of Pizza Lover 69 or DJ Snuggles, let's dive into what's actually possible when it comes to your Venmo identity. Because while a complete, direct username change in the way you might edit your name or profile picture isn't a straightforward feature, there are definitely avenues you can explore to achieve a similar result. Think of your Venmo username as your digital handshake on the platform. It's how friends, family, and even that acquaintance who owes you for coffee can easily find and recognize you. It adds a layer of personalization and, let's be honest, sometimes a bit of fun to the financial interactions we have every day. However, as we grow and our online presence evolves, that fun username might start to feel less fun. Maybe you're using Venmo more professionally now for freelance work and want something a bit more polished. Perhaps you're trying to streamline your online identities for privacy reasons. Or maybe, just maybe, you've finally outgrown that phase where everything had to include your favorite cartoon character. Whatever your motivation, the desire to update your Venmo username is a common one. So, let's get straight to the heart of the matter. The direct answer, no, not exactly. As of right now, Venmo doesn't offer a direct, in-app feature to simply edit your existing username. Unlike your display name or profile picture, your username, once chosen, is pretty much set in stone. This is primarily due to the way Venmo's system is designed. Your username is deeply integrated into your account for transaction tracking and user identification. Changing it directly could potentially lead to complications with past transactions and the ability for others to find you reliably. Think about it. If you could just change your username on a whim, someone could potentially impersonate another user or create confusion around past payments. This rigidity helps maintain the security and integrity of the platform. But don't despair. Here's the workaround: creating a new account. While you can't change your existing username, the most effective way to get a new one is to create a brand new Venmo account. Now, I know what you're thinking, that sounds like a hassle. And you're not entirely wrong. It does involve a few steps, but if having a different username is important to you, this is the most reliable method. Here's a breakdown of how you can go about this. 1. Create a new account. Use a different email address or phone number. Venmo requires a unique email address or phone number for each account. So, if your current Venmo account is linked to your primary email and phone, you'll need to use an alternative for your new account. This could be a secondary email address you rarely use or a different phone number if you have one. Download the Venmo app. If you don't already have it on another device, you'll need the Venmo app to create a new account. Sign up. Open the app and follow the prompts to sign up. You'll be asked for your name, email address, or phone number, and to create a new password. This is where you'll get to choose your brand new, hopefully more fitting, username. Link your bank account and card. To use your new Venmo account for sending and receiving money, you'll need to link your bank accounts and debit/credit cards. 2. Transfer your balance, if applicable. If you have a balance in your old Venmo account, you'll want to transfer it to your linked bank account before you deactivate or stop using it. Here's how. Open your old Venmo app. Tap the Me tab, usually the single person icon. Your Venmo balance will be displayed at the top. Tap on it. Tap Transfer to Bank. Select the amount you want to transfer and choose your linked bank account. Confirm the transfer. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days to process. 3. Inform your contacts, optional but recommended. If you actively use Venmo to send and receive money from friends and family, it's a good idea to let them know about your new username. You can send them a quick message through another platform or even through your old Venmo account before you stop using it regularly. This will prevent any confusion when they try to pay you in the future. 4. Consider deactivating your old account, optional. Once you're comfortable with your new account and have informed your contacts, you might consider deactivating your old account. This isn't strictly necessary, but it can help avoid any potential confusion or the risk of someone accidentally sending money to your old username. To deactivate your Venmo account, open the Venmo app. Tap the Me tab. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down and tap Close My Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deactivation. Important considerations when creating a new account. Transaction history. Keep in mind that your transaction history is tied to your old account and will not transfer to your new one. If you need to keep records of past transactions, make sure to save them before deactivating your old account. Linked services. If you've used your Venmo account to log into or connect with other services, you'll need to update those connections with your new account details. Verification. You may need to go through the verification process again with your new account to unlock all features and increase transaction limits. Are there any other alternatives? While creating a new account is the primary way to get a new username, there are a couple of other things to consider, although they don't directly change your username. Your display name. You can change your display name on Venmo. This is the name that appears alongside your username when you send or receive payments. While it doesn't change your unique identifier, it can help people recognize you more easily, especially if your username is less obvious. To change your display name, tap the Me tab. Tap your profile picture or name at the top. Tap Edit Profile. Update the first name and last name fields. Tap Save. Contacting Venmo support. Limited success. While Venmo doesn't typically allow username changes, you could try contacting their support team to explain your situation. However, be prepared for the possibility that they won't be able to accommodate your request for a direct change. This might be worth a shot if you have a very specific and compelling reason for needing a username change, e.g., a significant privacy concern. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.